This illustration is an overview of how to install a MaxxLite LED sign. Ease of installation is very critical to any project, and MaxxLite is committed to your success and wants your project to go as smoothly as possible. Installation should be simple and straightforward. MaxxLite LED signs come ready to install for nearly any type of scenario. The cabinet comes with steel angles pre-mounted across the top and across the bottom of the backside. This allows for multiple installation techniques. The process is simple. Mount a mating angle on the wall or steel post to match the placement of the cabinet angles. Seat the cabinet on the top angle and secure across the top and bottom. The possible variation include single-sided wall mounted, double-sided projection installation, center post mounted, double post surface mounted, double post extended surface mount, double post inset mounting, double column inset mounted, and base riser with a center post. While these may not be the only variations, rest assured that your project will go smoothly and easily with MaxxLite. MaxxLite manufactures one of the finest LED displays in America. See for yourself. Thank you for watching.